Welcome. Today, we will explore the process of building a video application using EnableX's low-code platform. To begin, log into your EnableX account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the My Dashboard page. Locate the My Projects section on. Click on the Create Project button to initiate the project setup. Fill in the necessary information for your project, including the project name, application, and project description. In case your application is not listed here, you can select the Other. Add video functionality to your project, and toggle the video button in the Channel section. Click Create Project. Congratulations! The project has been successfully created. In the pop-up dialog, click Get Started. This will take you to the next stage of the setup process. Choose your preferred method of development page, click Go Low Code. You will be directed to a wizard specifically designed for low-code video embedding. EnableX offers a variety of video embed templates tailored to different types of applications. If you prefer complete customization and control over your video conferencing solution, you can choose the Build from Scratch template. Click Use this template. The next step is to configure a subdomain. Enter a subdomain name of your choice. Great! Your project is now set up, and you can try video calling by clicking the Try Now option. EnableX Low-Code Video Builder offers a wide range of customization for the best video experience. Click on Customize UI and then proceed with Start Customization. Welcome to the Customization options, where you have 4 sections to explore: Screen View, Information Display, Toolbar, and Branding. Any changes you make will be instantly reflected in the preview on the right. You can engage up to 50 participants. To engage a larger audience, you can contact sales right from the customization box. You can set the video grid to 3x2, 3x3, or 4x3. You can also edit the media information for participants, participant name, bandwidth status, and audio and video status. These icons are shown under every participant's video feed. Now, we come to the information display section. You can choose what to display on the top bar and the gallery display for both moderators and participants. On the top bar, you can display meeting room name, duration, no of participants, full screen. For both the moderator and the participants, you can select participant names and moderator names. But wait, there's more. Just as we've customized the UI for the screen view, you have the power to tailor the information display, toolbar, and branding to suit your unique style and requirements. After you have successfully customized your video UI, it's time to explore the world of advanced features. Here, you have the freedom to fine-tune every aspect of your video application, from live streaming to collaboration tools. And here's the best part: no manual coding required. Not only this, you can protect your video recordings through encryption, and you can also add watermarks to the recordings for a professional touch. Say goodbye to complicated coding. With EnableX Visual Builder, you're in charge of customizing your video experience with just a few simple clicks. So, what are you waiting for? Take control of your video communication like never before.